have 200 plus team of professionals which provides different kinds of IT services like website designing and development, web and mobile application development. We have laundry ready-made script similar to fly cleaners and wish to wash in native Android and iOS applications and web solutions. In this, there are three modes: user mode, laundryman mode and the admin mode. In user mode, the user will have different advantages through this application like create, managing and editing his account. User can opt for different kinds of laundry services like washing clothes, dry cleaning clothes and ironing clothes and many more. User can select the cloth fabric like quantity of woolen clothes, quantity of cotton clothes, etc. According to the quantity of clothes, the bill will be generated for the user. He will then proceed for payment, either online payment or offline payment, that is to the laundryman after receiving the services. In laundryman mode, the laundryman will have different advantages through this application. He can create, manage or edit his account. Admin will assign the job to the laundryman. In this job, laundryman will receive the details of the user to provide different kinds of laundry services. After completing the laundry services, he will get invoice for receiving the payment from the user. In the admin mode, admin will have total control to manage the accounts of user and the laundryman. Admin will assign the job to the laundryman. Admin will have the total control to manage the cloth details, fabric details, payment details and complete static content in this solution. Thank you.